Hey guys, welcome to the third lesson of the course. We just talked about the many styles of music websites that there are and how they should relate to the visual codes of the genre. Now I want to talk a little bit about the users. So before designing a website, any kind of website, you have to think, what do I want for my users? Do I want my users to listen to music on my website? Do I want them to read news? Do I want them to buy stuff from me? The answer to those questions will help you to create the wireframe and the UX for your website. And to answer those questions, you have to put yourself in the user's side, in the user's point of view. If I am the user, what would I want in a website? Maybe I would love a website where I can listen to music on stream and also buy the album where the song is from afterwards. Maybe I want a website where I can listen to music and buy merchandise from the artist. And of course, defining the target user of the website, which is very easy to do and is really very important. To define your user target, all you have to do is research. If you plan to create a music streaming website, then you have to check out different websites like that and see what they have to offer, what is their design, and especially pay attention to what users say about that website on the forums, on the internet, anywhere. And what do they like, what they don't like. Once you understand your target user, what they like and what they don't like, the rest is much simpler. Looking for inspiration is a must before designing your website, of course. I put together some very different websites that I think that they have a good user experience to show you how a user thinks. So here they are. Of course, these are just a few websites that I think that they work okay. They have a nice design and a good user experience. There are a million websites in the world. I just picked a few that I think they are cool. For example, Ladware is a cool website. Their design, well, not my that this is not my kind of design, but I think it's very good and it appeals to the visual code of the genre of the rock genre. And the important part that I want to talk a lot about is that you come here, you come to this website to check out news about rock and roll, and this is what you get. If you go to when the second that you go to the website, all you have to in this home page are rock news, and that is a good user experience because me as a user, I want to come here to Ladware to find out what is happening in the rock world, what is happening with my favorite artist, and when you enter the website, you have the news. And well, maybe I want to check out this news. Maybe I want to check out about Metallica, or I don't know. Maybe I want to check out what Tom Morello says, and it's right there. You don't have to enter the website and sign up for something, or maybe subscribe for a newsletter, or log in to the website. You just enter on the website and you have rock news. And besides, you have songs, you have the tabs. You can find about rock, you can find about metal, you can hear some of the songs. So it's a pretty cool website. If you are a rock fan, of course you will like this website because it's what I tell you. Think about like the user does. If you are a rock fan, you want to go to a website where you can find out news about rock and roll, about metal, and if you come here, you have the news. So as a user, I'm very happy with what this website has to offer. I also have this website to find out about sports. It's on Spanish, of course, but well, the thing is that if you come here, you want to it's because you are a football fan and you want to check out the news of football. And here they are. They are a lot of football news. You have other sports, but mainly football. So, as a football fan, of course, it's this website is amazing because you have a lot of news and they are pretty there. You don't have to search for the news or anything. You just have everything there, including the scores of the games that are about to go on. So it's pretty over there. We have this website. It's an interior design website, which is perfect, which is really, really good. You can see that the design is really beautiful. You have a hero image, we have a parallel effect, and the design is really simple. And the important part here, so talking about the UX, is that the minute you enter the website, you have stuff. You can go and check out the furniture for living, or the dining room, or the bedroom, and you can buy stuff from there. You have the chat if you want to chat with someone, and the design is really beautiful and it's pretty easy. There's no way that you will get lost in this website. There's no way that you enter this website and say that, oh, what do I have to do now? It's really, really pretty easy to accomplish what you want to do, because that's what we want for our user. We want our users to be able to accomplish their goal in the fewer steps possible. If they want to buy furniture, you should make these things easier so that they can buy. So I go here and I click here, and it goes to another section where I can select one of the sofas and buy stuff. So it's pretty amazing how this website works. Also, we have Deezer, which in terms of streaming music is pretty good. You probably know this website, but well, all you have to do is to create an account, and you can like the artist, you can select your favorite artist, and it goes and shows you a selection of music that they think that you will like according to your music taste. And you have all the genres here. You can find, if you want to listen to some pop, you click here and it will show you the most featured songs of pop, or you want rock or indie or metal. And also you have the player right here. So the minute you go into Deezer, you can start playing music and listening to music, which is the thing that you came here to do. When I open Deezer, of course, is because I want to listen to music. So the best thing that this website can have is that once that I go into the website, I can start listening to music the first second that I get here. So that's a good user experience. In fact, that's an amazing user experience. Also, of course, we have Behance, which is an amazing website for inspiration and for many other things. And the UX design on Behance is really good. You can find all the portfolios or of people. You can find the projects, and it's pretty right there too. The ones that you go to Behance, all you have to do is to create an account, and you will find a million designs of people. And well, if you click on one of them, you can find out more about the project and a little bit about the artist and everything. So it's pretty right there. So that's what I like on a website, and that's what mostly everyone likes about website, that you can go to the website and start doing the thing that you want to do right now. We also have this website. This is a clothes store website. You can buy hats, accessories, and clothing, and it's pretty easy to use too. If you just go and click on hats, you have the hats here, and you have the price. So all you have to do is click, and it goes here. And all you have to do is to pick the quantity that you have. If you want two of these hats, now you can go and add to cart, and it will show you that, well, right now this is sold out, but you know what I mean. You can find accessories, and it's pretty easy to navigate on this website. You won't get lost. It's not like there are some stores that you enter and you don't know where is the shop, you don't know where you can buy stuff, and that's a pretty sad thing, because if you go to a website to buy stuff, you want them to be right there, you want them to be easy to buy. So this website is really amazing. Now, if you want inspiration to create a website, I suggest this website, which is really cool, Sitespar. You can find a million designs in here. There are literally millions of designs in here, and they are all amazing. Of course, they browse only the best websites, the coolest designs, and well, it's a very nice a website design Spar, and it's pretty good for inspiration. Of course, it's not good to copy another person's design, but you can find some inspiration in here of how they do. If, for example, if you want to create a music website, you can go and search and go click on music, and you have 1,000 music websites. So you can take some inspiration from them, how what colors they use, how what is the header, how they put the logo or stuff like that. So this is really cool. So the the main idea is that when you go to a website, try to think about how the users feel. If you are a rock fan and you go to this website, you know that you want to listen to music or check out some news about rock or about metal, and that is what you have to do. Think about how the users should feel on your website. What do you want for your users? If you want them to listen to music, if you want them to just check out some news or something like that. So that when you have those answers, you are ready to start with the wireframing, and then start with the design and the user interface and everything else that comes with designing a website. But this is a very important step that must be taken into account. So now that we just saw this, and I think that's enough theory for now. Now it's time to go to the wireframing, because wireframing is a really important step when you are designing an app or a website. So we have to do this so that we can begin to design our website. So let's go to the next lesson.